Hi guys, this is the second time in 2 days I haven't pushed the record button. I was way into it too. Okay, I want to say welcome to the new subscribers. We have the best community on YouTube. I know everybody says that, but I mean it. Everybody's kind. There's no ill will or fighting or backbiting or any of that. Today is if it makes you happy. Well, I was worried because, like a lot of people, I have struggles going on, behind the scenes, and I didn't think I had anything to be happy about today. And then out of nowhere, I don't follow ColourPop anymore. I haven't purchased anything from them. I think the last thing I purchased was two super shock shadows and a lippy that I wanted to try, and both of them were good. I mean, I have no problems. It's just that I have a ton of ColourPop, the smaller ones, and I don't ever reach for them, so I need to use those before I buy anything else. However, twice I've tried to get the Twilight collection, and today, I don't know why, but I got through and I got the entire collection. So I was very, very happy. So I also got notification that it's already been shipped. So they must have been ready for, whatever. So I don't know. It ships regular mail, I think. So 5 to 7 working days. That's the usual. So I'm looking forward to that. Now, we gotta, I don't know how to explain it, on how to do it. A lot of people said that their families made them happy. Well, that's a place to go. Is there something that maybe, if you have children, maybe one of your kids has said something or done something that made you smile, even if it was just for, the briefest moment, but it's something that you won't forget. It could be something like that. It could be anything. If you're married, did your spouse say something or do something out of the blue? Or maybe you were even expecting something, but you were still surprised when, it came through, whatever it was. It could be, it could be just anything, guys. I really want you to, I think it's important, especially for anyone that has depression, it's important to try and, find the happy thoughts. That way you can go back to them and think, okay, I've got this one. And then you search for another one. And I think, at least as far as I'm concerned, with me, I have remembered the ones that make me happy. They've stuck with me. I just lost my mom last year, so I had to really come up with what about before she got sick? What would she do that made me happy? And I came up with something. It actually turned out to be quite easy. So, before you do lose the people, because both of my parents are gone now, try and come up with something. I have something, let me see. I have carried this in my wallet for my son's entire life since he was in, I don't know, maybe preschool or, I don't know, he was very, very young. And he came up to me, now watch, I won't be able to find it right now. He came up to me and he handed me this little piece of paper. And he said, here, this is for you. So I took it, and I swear, we're talking, he didn't see me do it, but it was like crying on the spot. And of course I cannot find it now. I mean, I have it and it's in here. It's just that I have a lot of stupid medical stuff in here that, oh, I just had it. Okay, my wedding ring's in here too. There it is, there it is, okay. Alright guys, it was a piece of paper like this, folded over, and keep in mind he was very young, and this is what he gave me. Now, it used to be down here, but it's rubbed off. He put U and then an R, and then he tried to spell pretty, and it was P-R-E or P-R-U, I don't know, but it said you are pretty. And I of course lost it. I'm sad that that got, you know, worn off. However, I've got this, and I will have this for the rest of my life. This is my oldest son, John, did this for me. And I've carried it no matter how many different wallets that I've switched, no matter, you know. It's something like that. I mean, kids, when they're young, they love to draw pictures. I have, I'll show you sometime. My youngest son, Jake, painted me a picture. Now, he was in Talented and Gifted. Both of them were. Not knowing what was going to happen later in life. But a lot of times, people with schizophrenia are very talented and very bright, which both of them are. But it's a picture. It hasn't been unboxed yet. And I could not believe it. I was, and then there's also a poem from him. So it's things like that. Maybe, I don't know, if you keep your kids' things, maybe you can just take a look at them and see if there's anything in there. I'm just trying to give you maybe ideas, because I think it's very sad if you think you have nothing to be happy about. And of course, I'd love to give everyone a hug, but the hug is not going to help. And I know that. It's got to come from, you know, the person themselves. And one of you know exactly what I'm talking about. I tend to try and get close to my subscribers. If you don't want to, that's totally fine with me, but that's kind of how it works on here. I do not follow like typically YouTube. I just kind of do whatever comes up. Okay, today's look is, of course, Adept Cosmetics. This is the only palette by them that I have. Other than I have the, I think it's called, I can never pronounce it, Iora. Anyway, it's the blush, the blush triple. So that's the only thing other than this one, which is, if I remember Rachel from Just Rach, I think she said this is something for the green arrow. It's supposed to, yeah. And it didn't come with anything. I never keep palettes out of their boxes because I'm like, you know, OCD to the max. But there was no box to put this in when it came in. So, okay, guys, I will have, if you're interested. Oh, one more thing. I am wearing the Good Apple Foundation Balm by Kat Von D. Let me see if I can. And I wore it yesterday, but I didn't say anything. Because my triple chins did not let me. Yes, I was at a horrible angle, and I saw all my chins, which just really bothered me. It's like, how can I, you know, how can you be a certain weight and have triple chins? It happens to everybody. Anyway, this is the Good Apple Balm, and it doesn't look like, I think I said at the time when I did the unboxing or unbagging or whatever it was, if I can get it open, if you look, it does not look like you get a lot of product. you don't have to use a lot of product with this. Matter of fact, the dry down is almost immediate when you put it on. Now, the problem I noticed, yesterday, no problems, beautiful. Today, it went on fine, but I was having problems even though I had used something to set the glitter so it wouldn't. As soon as I got this done, before I put my mascara on, which isn't waterproof, I sprayed my face. I think I might have gone a little overboard. As a matter of fact, I know I went a little overboard. But let me see if I can show you. Just on my nose, I think I ruined the foundation for the day. I don't know if you can see anything from there, but that's when I noticed the problem. I didn't have any kind of problem beforehand. I guess I'll go ahead and show you my my look. Using this one today kind of cheered me up too, because I hadn't done an Adept for quite a while, and you can go ape crazy. You can, I mean, seriously, with Adept. I just was tempted, and you know me, if I'm tempted, I'm probably going to do it, but something held me back today. I wanted to put every glitter that's in there on my face. I don't know how I do it, but it didn't matter. Put it anywhere. And depending on how it works, let me get a mirror. Need a mirror. Okay. Yeah, it hasn't changed at all. I found my perfect lip combo. It would be, let's see, Makeup Forever. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice. And this one is 606 whatever, Wherever Walnut. If you can see. And then I talked about this yesterday. You guys are so cool, man. I didn't think anybody would watch that video, but some of you are, and it's awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. And then a Kevin Aquan, which is this shade right here. That's what I have on my lips, and I've had it on for... I had to do a couple of things with the full face of makeup, and my hair is just... I don't know what's going on. I don't, because I just washed it yesterday, and it's already feeling greasy. I have no clue what's doing it. But, yeah, I think that's my new favorite combo. What do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, guys. I know that a lot of you have already answered, but if you have thought of something else other than what you put down before, if you wouldn't mind, I would really enjoy it if you could put something else down. Remember, whatever you're putting down might help the people that I'm talking about that feel like there's nothing, and I hate that. I want to help. So if you could put it down, if you can't, I understand, but it would help. So, all right, guys, I don't think there's anything else. If you're interested in anything that's on my face today, it will be in the description box. All the way down you have to go underneath my email and my IG, address. Right under that is where I start. And for the new people, the first thing on the list is the first thing I put on my face. And it goes from there all the way down to what is the last thing I put on my face. So, that's it. So, wherever you are, I hope you are well. Take care. Have some fun. And stay safe. Watch your surroundings. You guys know. And I will see you on the next video. Anyway, love you guys. Bye-bye.